What's up, fans? JammaJohn coming back. Life hack number 2. Making your popcorn experience 10 times better. A lot of people sit here and think, I just use the microwave for my popcorn. What do I give a shit about it? Never have true popcorn experience until you've used it on the pan. That way, if you're a guy like me and you want to add more butter, you want to add some spices to it or anything, you just rip open this bag. That's what's inside the bag here, just chunks. Chunks and kernels. Now that that's all in there, want to try and get all the kernels inside of the lid. Get that sucker heated up soon enough. Butter will be melted inside. The corn will start popping. Turn it up a little bit. Let's see what happens. Might even add a little, couple spices. Little cayenne pepper, salt, regular pepper. A lot of people really don't care about popcorn as much as I do. Popcorn is key all day. Alright, so it's starting to heat up. See a little bit of steam inside here. Here it starts to sizzle. Let's see what happens here. Oh, now starting to smell real good. Uh-oh. Seeing them pop. Oh boy. little bit of a corn dilemma here. Could have probably used a bigger lid, but you know. Yeah, looks just about finished up. Then, look at that. That good old corn. See, and then you can just shake it. Shake it on the pan. Get out of here. Still spilling a little bit of corn around. There's your corn. Corn on the corn. That's the right way to make popcorn. It has occurred to me that that is actually not the correct way to make popcorn. Shortly after the kitchen started to smoke up, there's popcorn everywhere, and turned out to be pretty burnt, so yeah.